Okay, good day guys. Today we shall be analyzing and designing a reinforced concrete T-beam. So give it any name you want. T-beam, sorry, T-beam, T-beam 1. So choose your location, metric, then create job. So the span of our beam is 6 meters and these are the specification of our beam. So the flange is this, all in mm. So let's go back to our start pro. First thing we do is bring out our grid. So 6 meters from here to here, 6 meters. But since we are working on just y and x axis, so we'll come to utilities, command file, save, then we'll change it to plane since is we are working with 2D, so plane. Control S, sorry, Control S on your keyboard, so you can close. Okay. Then the next thing we do is to assign property now. So define property and it's a T-beam. So concrete, choose concrete structure. So where's our YD? YD is 0.588. So you come here, 0.588. My ZD is 1.017. 1.017. Then where's my YB? My YB is 0.438. 0.438, sorry. Then where's my ZB? My ZB is 0.217. So 0.217. Concrete material or add, close. So assign to view, assign. Next thing we do is support. So create support, pinned, add, assign to view, assign to view, assign. So what next do we do? We load it. So loading, add, dead load, load case 1, add, live load, add, close. So you can define our load combinations. You can do it automatically or you can define it manually yourself. So for combination 3 is my serviceability load. So add. Then combination 4 is my ultimate load. And according to the BS code, my dead load is 1.4. Live load is, sorry, live load is 1.6. So add, close. Okay. So let me now load my combinations. So my dead load, I have the self weight in the y direction, add, member load of minus 18, global y direction, add, concentrated force of minus 105 in global y direction, add. Okay, so assign to view, 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 assign to view. Sorry. Okay. 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 So we've assigned this. The next thing is in my live load. I have a member load minus 10 kilonewton, add concentrated force minus 55, but from the first 2 meters, so 2 in the global direction, add. Then you can also have varying load, this load in case if you have, so let me add a varying load, this one. So my W1 is minus 10 and my W2 is minus 40. Okay, so add. So assign to view, assign to view, assign to view, assign to view, then assign to view, assign to view. So you should have something like this. Then the next thing we do is perform analysis. So what type of analysis? First order analysis, perform normal analysis, add, close, then run the analysis. So while we wait for it to run, 0 error, 0 warning, 0 node. So our structure is safe to design. So let's see our reactions and moments. So reaction, this is the reaction for the ultimate load 376 349. Then you can see your moment beam results, maximum moment. So the maximum bending moment at each side, look at it. Okay, or can double click it, come to shear bending, then this is your maximum minus 264.75. So that is it. So let's go back to an analytical modeling for the design. So we are designing it as concrete, so click concrete here, choose your code, then select parameters. So I'm interested in only 3 parameters: the clear, compressive strength, and the yield strength. Okay, so define parameters. My clear 25, add my FC, I'm using 30, add, then my FY mean I'm using 460, so add, close. So I assign these things to view, assign 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 to view, then command. So I'm designing it as a beam, so I'll click design as beam, add, close. So assign to view, assign to view. Okay, so run analysis again. So 0 error, 0 warning, 0 note. Let's see our output file now. Okay, so concrete design, this is it. So this is the reinforcement we have to put in. This is our share links. It has given us our results here. Then you give your draftsman to show it, or you can come here, double click on it, and concrete design, it shows you what you have to use. So this is it. So you can read everything, check your deflection, check it in the y direction, maximum deflection, check it, shear bending, loading property, you're free to check it in geometry. So this is your concrete design. You can bring it out for detailing. Okay, thank you. So thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe for more and please share it with your friends. Thank you.